Hello, dear parents, guardian, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The Abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient Abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you?
We are fine, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. So today we are going to continue about new chapter, yes? But before we go on chapter 5, we have first of all to revise what we learned last time, okay? Yes. Hold your pencil nicely. Show me how we hold our pencil. Your left hand must touch on abacus as always. Your left hand must touch on abacus. So move all the beads from 1 up to 9. Where to start? Your left hand must touch on abacus, okay? Left hand, Ruth. Good job. Then we are going to move all the beads from 1 up to 9. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then start. Move all the beads from 1 up to 9. Quickly. 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 By returning, do not clear. Return one by one. Move 3. All abacus, 3. Then return 3. Move 4. Quickly, return 4. Then move in 5. I'm on 5. How far are you? Then return 5. Move in 6. Quickly. Move all the beads. Okay. Good job. Continue up to 9. If you're done 5, you go on 6. Yes, good. If you are done, let me know. You are going to move all numbers of abacus from 1 up to 9 on whole abacus. Christina, remember if you reach on 9, you have even to return 9. Return it at the same time. Good. Now go on 8. 8, yes. 8. 8. 9. Okay, we're on 9. Good. Return 9. Done. Now all of you move in 1 on abacus. Move in 1. Return 1. Move in 2. Return 2. Move in 3. Return 3. Move in 4. Return 4. Move in 5. Return 5. Move in 6. Return 6. Move in 7. Return 7. Move in 8. Return 8. Move in 9. Return 9. Move in 2. Plus 2. Plus 5. Minus 6. Plus 5. Plus 10. Plus 1. Plus 50. Plus 30. Raise up your hand and tell me the answer you have on abacus. Yes, doctor?
99.
99. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Return 99. Moving 4 plus 5 plus 10 minus 8 plus 1 again. What is the answer? Raise up your hand. The answer. Yes.
The answer is 13.
The answer is 13. Return 13. Now I see that you remember everything. Do you remember last time you learned about breaking 10?
Yes.
We even learned about making 10.
Yes.
And making 5.
Yes.
And breaking 5.
Yes.
Now you know today's chapter. It is to combine all of those 4. About making 5, breaking 5, making 10, breaking 10. Now we are going to study all of that in one chapter. In
one chapter.
One chapter which is called Making and Breaking 10 as well as 5. Very good. Now before we start that lesson, it means you must know the relative numbers. And you have to know, where do we use relative numbers? You must even know the sibling numbers and even know where we use the sibling numbers. Good job. Now here we are going to see about the sibling numbers, okay? You are going to tell me about the sibling numbers. Making and breaking 5. The sibling numbers. It means on making and breaking 5, we use what we call sibling
numbers.
Sibling
numbers.
You still remember the sibling number?
Yes.
The sibling number of 1, it is the number that we can add on here, then we get
5.
Who can come and write the sibling number of 1? Sibling number of 1, sibling number of 1, sibling number of 1. Pookie, first of all, come and tell me the sibling number of 1.
The sibling number of 1 is 4.
Good. Go and write the sibling number of 1. Quickly. And others, you understand, the sibling number of 1 is 4. Good job. The sibling number of 1 is 4. Why is it 4? Because
1 plus 4 equals to 5.
Yes, because 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
The sibling number of 2, Janelle. The sibling number of 2 is 3. Good job. Come and write 3. The sibling number of 2 is 3. Why? Why, Nellis? Why?
Because when we add 2 and 3 equals to 5.
High 5. Good job. The sibling number of 3 is
2.
Is 2. And then Hervé. Why? The sibling number of 3 is 2.
Because 3 plus 2 equals to 5.
Because 3 plus 2 equals to 5. The sibling number of 4 is
1.
1. Alex, why the sibling number of 4 is 1?
Because 4 plus 1, it is equal to 5.
Very good, because when we take 4, we add 1, it goes to 5. You already know these sibling numbers, okay? Yes. You have to keep it in your mind because to that chapter 5, we are going to need these sibling numbers and even relative numbers, okay? Yes. And even what? Relative numbers, okay? The relative number of 1 is
9,
2,
8,
3,
7,
4,
6,
5,
5,
6,
4,
7,
3,
8,
2,
9,
1.
Now who may come here in front and tell us the relative number and where we use the relative number, and who may tell us the sibling number and where we use the sibling number? Who may come? Easy. Who want to try? Want to try? Not another one. Hervé. Come here in front. Yes. Quickly, very good boy. Quickly. You are going to tell us about the sibling numbers. Start. Sibling.
The sibling number of 1 is 4. The sibling number of 2 is 3. The sibling number of
3 is
2. The
sibling number
of 2 is 3.
The sibling number of 4
1 is 4.
is 4. Then, where do we use the sibling number? We use the sibling numbers where?
In making and breaking 5.
Very good. In making and breaking?
5.
1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Now you are going to tell us the relative number. The relative number. Start.
The relative number of 1 is 9.
Good.
The relative number of 2 is 8. The relative number of 3 is 7. The relative number of 4 is 6. The relative number of 5 is 5. The relative number of 6 is 4. The relative number of 7 is 3. The relative number of 2 is
Of
8.
8.
The relative number of 8 is 2.
Good.
The relative number of 9 is 1.
And then where do we use the relative number?
But in making and breaking 10.
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Good job. You know, he knows where we use the relative number, and he even knows where we use the sibling number. Yes? A short reminder, we use the sibling number when we want to make or to break 5. We use what we call sibling number. And if we want to make 5 or we want to make 10 or break 10, we use relative
Number.
Now, because our chapter 5 today is about making and breaking 10 as well as 5, chapter 5, and we already done to see about the relative numbers on making and breaking 10 and the sibling numbers on making and breaking 5. Now we can start our chapter 5, yes? Where we are now going to make 10, to break 10, to make 5, to break 5 at the same time. Good job. An example. Making and breaking 10 as well as 5. Example number 1. 7 plus 7 minus 9. Look here. We have moved in 7 plus 7 minus 9. Move in 7. I move 7. Plus 7, I don't have here 7 bits to add. I make 10. And I return the relative number of 7, which is 3. I don't have 3. I break 5. And I add the sibling number of 3, which is 2. Then minus 9, I break 10. And I add the relative number of 9, which is 1. And I don't have 1. I make 5. And I return the sibling number of 1, which is 4. The answer is 5. I'm going to repeat. Move in 7. Plus another 7 here. Here there is no 7. If there is no 7, I'm going here to use tens. For adding 7, because we already learned making 10, right? Yes. And on making 10, we use relative numbers. Now we want to add a number, and that number, we don't have it here. Now we are going to use 10, okay? Yes. I make 10. And remember, if we make, we return the relative number. Now we are going to return the relative number of 7. The relative number of 7 is 3. Here there is no 3. But I have 5. And you already know how to break 5 and to make 5. Because I don't have 3 to return. That's the reason why I'm going to break 5. And remember, after breaking 5, we add the sibling number. The sibling number of 3, which is 2. And then minus 9. I don't have 9 bits to return here. I have 4. So that's why I break 10. Then after breaking 10, I have to add the relative number of 9, which is 1. And here there is no 1. So I make 5. And I return the sibling number of 1, which is 4. Now answer is 5. Good job. The answer is 5. Let us do here letter A again. I'm going to do it on my abacus. Follow. Here we have 5. I move in 5, okay?
Yes.
And then after 5, we have plus 7. And here also there is no 7. How can we add 7? So we make 10. Because you already know how to make 10, right? Yes. Then after making 10, we have to return the relative number of 7, which is 3. And there is no 3 here. That's why we are going to break 5. And if we break 5, we add the sibling number, yes? Now, the sibling number of that 3, it is 2. That's why I add 2. And then minus 6. Here, there is no 6 to return. I break 10. Then, after breaking 10, I have to add the relative number of 6, which is 4. And I don't have 4. I make 5, and I return the sibling number of that 4, which is 1. The answer is 6. Good. The answer is 6. Now we are going to do letter B together, okay? Student on your abacus. Now let's do it with a teacher, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Are you holding your pencil? Yes. Yeah, okay, good job. Now together, let's move in 6. 6 together. And then plus 7. You have 7 on your abacus? No. You have 7?
No.
And me too, I don't have 7 to add. So it means because you don't have 7, we are going to use?
10.
We are going to use?
10.
Now let's make our 10. Then after making 10, we return the relative number of this 7. The relative number of 7 is
3.
Do we have 3?
No.
And me too, I don't have here 3 to return. That's why we break 5. Then after breaking 5, add the sibling number of 3,
which is 2.
Very good. Do it. We have the sibling number of 3, which is 2. And then minus 8. Do we have here 8 bits to return?
No.
So we break 10 and we add the relative number of 8, which is 2. And we don't have 2. We make 5 and we return the sibling number of 2, which is 3. Good job. The answer is
5.
The answer is 5. Now next question is for you. Move in 5 on your abacus. Then plus 9. Talk.
We don't have 9. We made 10 and we return the relative number of 9, which is 1.
Minus
1. We break 5 and we add the sibling number of 1, which is 4.
Minus 7.
We don't have 7 to return.
We break 10 and we add the relative number of 7, which is 3. We don't have 3. We make 5 and we return the sibling number of 3, which is 2. Now raise up your hand and tell me the answer you have. Let me come and check on your abacus. What is the answer?
The answer is 7.
All of you, the answer is?
7.
1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Even next question is for my student. Next. Moving 6. Plus 8.
We don't have 8 to add. We made 10 and we return the relative number of 8, which is 2. We don't have 2. We break 5 and we add the sibling number of 2, which is 3. Minus 8. We don't have 8. We break 10 and we add the relative number of 8, which is 2. We don't have 2.
We make 5 and we return the relative number of 2, which is 3. Aha, the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, Hervé?
The answer is 6.
Aha, the answer is?
6.
1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Then who may come and try this question on board? I want someone to come and try this. Simple. A girl. Pookie. Quickly, quickly. The last question list right here on the board. Quickly. Go. Moving 7. 7. Moving 7. And then plus 6.
I don't have 6. I add 10 and I return the relative number of 6, which is 4. I don't have 4. I break 5 and I make
I add
the
sibling number of 4,
which is 1.
Very good. Then minus 8
I don't have 8
to return.
I
Break.
I break 10
Yes.
and I add the relative number of 8, which is 2. I don't have 2. I make 5 and I
return
the
sibling number of 2,
which is 3.
What is this answer?
The answer is 5.
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Go and write 5. Just here. Take it and write 5. Good. And then write 5. Yes, the answer is 5. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Then in your book, open page 94. Open page 94. The exercise there, it is 10 questions. You have only 1 minute to try that questions. Use Abacus. Put Abacus here. Start doing your exercise. If you are done, raise up your hand. If you have any question, I'm here to assist. Yes, please. Then do this. Yes, do this. Put Abacus here. Quickly. 1 minute. 50 seconds remaining. Quickly. Then 40 seconds remaining. Use Abacus. Use Abacus and do it quickly. Yes, use Abacus quickly. Toxa, yes. Let's start together. Okay. 5. Then plus 6. You have 6. Make 10 and return the relative number of 6, which is 4. We don't have 4. Break 5. Then add the sibling number 4, which is 1. Yes, then minus 6. Do we have 6? We have 6, Doxa, or we don't have? Very good. Then break 10. Add the relative number of 6, which is 4. Do we have 4? No. So make 5. Then return the sibling number 4, which is? 4. Yes. Now we return. Then what is this number? 5. Write the answer. Done? Good job. Okay. If you are done, raise up your hand. I may come and mark you. Any question? Tell me. Good. Good job. Good job. Good. Good job. Good job. Done. Okay. Let us keep on doing your work. Any question? Ask. Good job. Can you correct question 1? Close the book. Let us collect only question 1. The remaining question will be your homework, okay? Let's first collect question 1 together. Close the book. Close the book. Are we together?
Yes.
If you are together, clap once, clap twice. Good, we are together now. And then, for letter A, we have to move in 5. Then do it. Move in 5. Plus 8. Here there is no 8, okay? I make 10. And I return the relative number of 8, which is 2. I don't have 2. I break 5. And I add the sibling number of 2, which is 3. Then minus 7. I don't have here 7 beads. So I have to come here. For minus 7, I break 10. And I add the relative number of 7, which is
3.
And I don't have 3. So I make 5 and return the sibling number of 3, which is 2. The answer is
6.
Very good. The answer is 6. Now stand up. Let us see if you can do mental for making and breaking 10 as well as 5. It means you have to visualize the image of abacus. Remember the relative numbers on making and breaking 10. Remember the sibling numbers on making and breaking 5. Then you are going to combine it all together in our mind by visualizing the image of abacus and try to do our questions mentally. Now, without touching the abacus, we are done to touch the abacus. We already know how it is on abacus. Now, let us see if you can do it mentally. When you put the abacus aside, can we do that mentally? Can we?
Yes, we can.
Good job. Close your eyes. Move in 5 plus 8 minus 7 minus 6 plus 5 plus 9 minus 7 plus 7 plus 6 minus 8. Okay, the answer, raise up your hand. Okay. If you raise up her hand as the first one. Tell me the answer.
The answer is
12? Let's go to, don't say yes. And you two have to tell me your answer. Raise up your hand, another one. Who got the answer? Christine.
The answer is 12.
5. 12.
The answer is 12.
Doxa.
The answer is 5.
5. Actually, the answer is 5. The answer is?
5.
And for those one who don't got 5, don't worry. I'm going to teach you again how to make 5, break 5, make 10, and break 10. Okay? Buki, you got 12. Can you tell me the relative number of 8?
The relative number of 8 is...
Very good. The relative number of 8 is 2. Another question, mentor. Ready? Moving 6 plus 6 minus 7 minus 5 plus 5 plus 8 minus 7. Who got the answer? Who got the answer? Yes?
The answer is 6.
The answer is 6. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Sit down. So now it means on making and breaking 10 as well as 5, what you have to memorize always, it is where can we use making 10? Where can we use breaking 10? And when we make 10 and break 10, what else do we have to do? If we make 10, we have to return the relative number, okay? Yes. And if we break 10, we have to add the relative numbers, okay? Yes. And then on making and breaking 5, if we make 5, we return sibling number, okay? And if we break 5, we add the sibling numbers, yes? Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you still remember relative numbers and sibling numbers and where do we use it?
Yes.
And you know how to use it on making and breaking 10 as well as 5?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes. Do it on your abacus and I can check. Quickly. Moving 6. 6. Are you done to move in 6? Yes. Plus 7. Talk. Plus 7 how?
We don't have 7. We made 10 and we return the relative number of 7, which is 3.
Minus 6. What is the answer do you have? Minus 6. Minus 6. Yes?
The answer is 7.
The answer is?
7.
Yeah, okay, very good. And then now, open page. There is a homework there. There is exercise we stopped. Open page 85. There is a homework, okay? Make sure you will do it at 2. You do it where?
At home.
At home. Page 85. Page 85. There is a homework there, okay?
Yes.
You will do it at home. Page 85. This is your homework. The remaining questions is your homework. Yes. Now keep it. See you next time. Then stand up. Good. With your book. By carrying the homework. Then see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, dear parents, guardian, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The Abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient Abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.